Hi, Steve with SidePrompt. I was going to make some templates today for eBay. So with HTML. So I thought, you know what, I should probably just do it on video. It's going to be able to show you guys when you have SidePrompt how to make templates. You can make a couple different ones you like, and that way you have your own template for your store. And it's just something that's pretty cool. So I'm going to show you how to make the template. I'm going to show you how to test it on your local machine, and then I'll show you how to save it in your presets so you can use it while you're making ads. So I did put in, hey, I'm looking for a template for eBay. I'm looking for something that's kind of simple, but looks really good and clean. And I did reference the old template that I used to use. That way it at least has a reference, somewhere to go. I'm going to use the new Gemini 3.1. I think Gemini is pretty good at doing front end and doing things, doing a design and stuff like that. So, and maybe we'll try Claude and a couple other ones too. So anyways, let's go ahead and get this one fired up, see what it comes up with. And while that's thinking, I think I will do maybe a Claude as well. Opus 4.6 is the new at this time hottest AI. So let's see what they come up with here. Oh, you know what? So that's what happens when you don't have any tokens left and you just need to increase your tokens with whatever provider you're using. On OpenRunner, I got to add some more in, but I have 4.6 over here with the Vasquez. So we're going to use the plus button again, actually. That's going to take your original. This is a cool thing about second, third, fourth opinion that's available with the tabs, is that you can hit plus and it keeps your original prompt. And then you can just get your second opinion there. I'll delete this one out. Wow, that was pretty fast. Gemini 3.1 takes kind of a little bit when I ask this task for some reason. But we can do opuses and opuses, wow. And then we'll come back to Gemini's after. So what I did is you open a text edit. If you're using a Mac, you open your text edit. You can paste in the HTML, save it, I'll show you, as an HTML file on your desktop, and then you can double click it and see it. And then we can just continue to edit this, same file, save it, and look at the same icon and see the changes. So we'll take a look here. So HTML, we're going to just grab the HTML only. It usually starts and ends with HTML, but this time it's starting with break. So that's just space. So we grabbed all the code only. Where it says HTML, we just grabbed all the code. And I'm just going to paste it over here into a text edit. If I hit save, you can name it. We're going to call this eBay temp test. That's a template test. And then you have to name it HTML. And once you do that, you hit save. There it is. There's our template. So you double click it. I don't know if you can see that. Double click it. Wow, I really like that a lot. I'm impressed. Huh. Here's the old one. Just so you can see the old one. I really like that template though. Okay, the old one. We're gonna have to open a new one for the. And then we just name this old eBay HTML. Once you save that, use HTML. It's gonna pop up on my screen here. This was my old one, which I thought was pretty cool. It would fill all this in for us. But this new one, now we need the text to be a little bit bigger, but we may have to save this one. All right, so with this, we're going to say, hey, I really like this. Can you make the text a little bit? Oh, you know what? You know what? I have a new feature. There's a voice feature now. Hey, I really like this. Can you make the text a little bit bigger, though? It's kind of hard to read. Did Gemini finish theirs? Oh, Gemini's taking a while. Wow. guys. Template. All right, here we go. Now we got to grab it from the beginning. Right here. Grab all that code. There we go. All right, let's see what we got. Update. You just paste it, save it, and just refresh. Okay, we need to take the returns out. I think that's it. So do me a favor and take the returns out. And that's about it. Give me the HTML, please. I don't know. I think Gemini got caught up with this. Wow. Well, that just shows you Claude's great. I'm going to run this, though, with maybe, let's just do Gemini 3 Pro. Let's see if that can knock that out. We'll come back to that. I'm about to give up on this. I guess it got hung up. It's kind of embarrassing. I don't know, for SidePrompt or for Gemini. Anyways, yeah, Gemini is coming through, just the regular Gemini. Maybe Google's having a problem. I'm gonna knock that out anyway, because we got Geminis here now. It's 3, not 3.1, but that's fine. Anyways, Opuses, let's see if we can finish this up. All right, copy, paste, save, and there should be no returns. There we go. But the problem is I didn't select all. So we're gonna resave, and there we go. So I think this is my new template. I don't know about this, honestly, but it's not bad. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna try it, right? So this is how you save it. Oh, no. Let's try Google's Gemini's real quick. See how Gemini's came out. All right, paste. Again, you're just gonna save it, and you're gonna name this one, we'll say eBay Gemini. HTML. There it is. Oh, I like that too. This is Gemini's. I don't know, put in the comments which one you like better. You like Gemini's or Claude's? I think I like Claude's better, but they're both here. All right. This is my point. So you could do as many as you want here. I mean you can do up to 5, but my point is you have all these AIs you could ask, and then there's more. There's infinitely, I mean not infinitely, but there's 50 more you could ask to do the same thing. But I'm going to use this one. So that's eBay template test. I have the Gemini one saved, but so we're going to go in preset now. Right? This is and we're going to add a new preset. Honestly, I think this is my new template. But anyways, and then I'm going to paste it in right here. And then I'm going to add this stuff, which we'll see in a second, but I just want to get it out. All right, cool. Copy, and then we're going to paste this up front. Paste. That's all in there. And then leave some space. And the reason you want to leave space before and after is when you use the voice commands, it leaves the space. And I'll show you what I mean right now. So we're going to save that. We got a new, that's the new preset. I didn't name it, but that's fine. All right. So what I mean by that, okay, let's do an ad now. I have some pictures here. I know I've used this one a lot, but these pictures a lot. We're going to slide these pictures over. And we got the new eBay ad. And who are we going to use? We'll just use Flash. Let's make the ad. And then I'm going to go to list an item here. So as soon as I get the title, let's see how this ad comes out with the new template. Okay, there's the ad. Now here's a power user tip. The least amount of pictures you put in, the least you're going to pay and the faster you're going to get a response, right? So I could literally have probably done these 3 pictures and it would have been 25% faster of a return and 25% less money. But this ad probably, it was a penny or 2 cents to make. So not that that's negligible, but I'm just saying. Anyways, copy. Oh, we just need right now, we just need the title. To make the ad, it's used. Did it make the right thing? It's this, yep, 40-ounce swing trainer, yellow, perfect. And then we need the photos. There we go. And then copy this guy, show HTML, paste it in, get rid of the title, and you can get rid of the title after too. So you can take it out here. Look at this. Oh, I love this. This is really, really good. Wow. And then you take this out. We're going to look at this ad right now. It's $34.90. And then you can do your offers. You can do your shipping. You can do your returns or no returns. And the ad is done. Wow, look at this. All right, this is my new template. I mean, maybe these colors would be cool if I matched like eBay's colors, but that's something you can do here. So you get the point. This is how you make a template with SidePrompt for eBay. It's the whole instructions to do it, including testing it out on your local computer and then putting it on your eBay ads. So thank you for watching. Get SidePrompt.com if you would like to subscribe. And it's $9 a month. And then we have yearly, we have bi-yearly, and we have a lifetime plan available right now. So get SidePrompt.com. You can make ads for, they're about a penny each, 1 to 2 cents each, plus what you pay for SidePrompt. So if you're making tons of ads, you're going to save so much money and so much time. Anyways, thanks for watching.